Hello friends! Today I will show you how to make a half double crochet stitch. This stitch is slightly taller than the single crochet. Start with the foundation chain. You can learn how to do it by watching my other videos from the beginners series. To make a half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook in the third chain counting from the hook. Now pull up a loop so that you have 3 loops on your hook. Now grab the yarn again and pull it through all 3 loops so that you are left with only one. This is your first half double crochet. Repeat the process. Yarn over first, then insert your hook in the next stitch, pull up a loop, and pull the yarn through all 3 loops. Continue like so until the end of the row. Remember to work a stitch in your last stitch, that is a slip stitch. It might be a little tight, but it's important for the stitch count. Alright, I've got a full row of half double crochets now. Let's move to the next row. To start, make a turning chain, which is 2 chain stitches. Turn the work over. Now yarn over and find the first stitch. Look at it from above and find a V shape. Insert the hook under both strands and pull up a loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn and pull it through all the loops. Continue making 1 half double crochet in each stitch until you reach the end of the row. Working in the last stitch may be tricky because it's your turning chain. Find the loop right next to the stitch and work a half double there. That's it! You now know how to make a half double crochet stitch. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye!